If you have a property in Delaware, Ohio that's currently rented out or leased out or occupied, and you want to sell this property easily, conveniently, and quickly, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus. For over 14 years, we've been buying properties in and around Delaware, Ohio, and we will buy these properties and we'll close on the property even if it is currently leased out or even if there's somebody currently living there. And the reason people love working with us is we're going to keep it extremely simple for you, the seller. We're not going to disrupt things with the person that's living there. We can handle any and all notices that are needed or conversations that need to take place. Even if there's an eviction that needs to take place, we can pick this thing up wherever it's at. We can still close on the property and we can handle anything that's needed regarding the person that's living there. Also, when we buy these properties in Delaware, Ohio, we're a cash buyer and we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition. What that means is you don't need to do any work to the property, you don't need to clean anything, you don't need to haul anything away. We will buy the property in its as-is condition, and we're not like a traditional buyer that's using some type of bank loan in order to close on the property. You know, a bank loan is going to require appraisals and formal inspections, and maybe their loan goes through, maybe not. Since we're a cash buyer, we can close easily, conveniently, and we're going to buy it in its as-is condition, and we can close on your timeline. It's very important and it's often overlooked. Your timeline. So if you need to close quickly, we can close quickly if that's what's going to meet your needs. If you need more flexibility, if something needs to happen in your life before you could close, whatever the case may be, we can provide flexibility if that is more what you're looking for. So when you give us a call at 614-300-5151, we'll get on the phone with you. It's a very simple conversation. We just need to know more about the property, know more about any timelines that you're currently working with, and we're going to make you a fair cash offer on your tenant-occupied property in Delaware, Ohio. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward. We're going to get this thing going. We're going to communicate extremely clearly with you from beginning to end throughout the entire process. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We can shake hands, we can part as friends. There's no crime, no foul. There's never going to be any pressure or obligations, fake urgency or sales tactics, or any gimmicks of any kind. We've been buying properties in and around Delaware, Ohio for over 14 years, and we'd love the opportunity to speak with you and at least give you options and at least let you know where we are at. So once again, our phone number is 614-300-5151. If you prefer to go online, you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. You can fill out a little form and then we'll get on the phone. It's going to be a very easy conversation and we are going to make you a fair offer on the property. We'd love the opportunity to work with you. So lastly, 614-300-5151. If you own a property in Delaware, Ohio that is currently rented out or occupied, we buy occupied properties in and around Delaware, Ohio. We'd love the opportunity to speak with you, and we'd love the opportunity to work with you.